Welcome to B30, where we share tips and strategies to help you succeed in life and business, especially as you approach 30. Today, I'm letting you in on one of my most powerful writing techniques, the 6 questions I ask myself before I start any piece of writing. Whether you're writing for business, content creation, or personal communication, these questions will help you write with purpose and clarity. Let's get right into it. Number 6. What's the next action my reader should take? The first question I ask is all about action. What do I want my reader to do after reading? This could be anything from signing up for a newsletter, making a purchase, or simply reflecting on the message. Every piece of writing should guide the reader toward a clear next step. When you know the action you want them to take, you can craft your message to lead them there naturally. Always write with that final goal in mind. Number 5. What emotion am I generating? Before I even begin writing, I think about the emotion I want to evoke. Is it excitement, curiosity, urgency, or empathy? The emotion behind your writing will drive how your message is received. People respond to how your words make them feel. So make sure you're intentional about the emotional tone you set. By understanding the emotional impact you want to create, you can connect with your reader on a deeper level. Number 4. What promise am I making? Every piece of writing should deliver some sort of promise to the reader. What are you offering them in exchange for their time and attention? This could be a solution, a new perspective, or valuable information. Your promise is the value they can expect to receive, and it keeps them engaged. When readers know what's in it for them, they're more likely to stick around until the end. Number 3. What benefits am I unlocking? The next question is all about benefits. What will the reader gain from your content? Whether it's knowledge, skills, or inspiration, your writing should offer something valuable. People engage with content because it adds value to their lives, so always be clear on the benefits you're providing. Think of it as unlocking a door to something new for your audience. What's on the other side that makes it worth their time? Number 2, whose problem am I solving? Before diving into the content, I clarify who I'm writing for. Knowing your audience is key to crafting a message that resonates. Whose problem am I solving with this piece of writing? Is it business owners, aspiring writers, or maybe someone looking to improve a personal skill? When you're clear about who you're speaking to, you can tailor your language, tone, and content to meet their specific needs. Number 1, what problem am I solving? Finally, the most important question I ask is, what problem am I solving? Every piece of writing should address a specific issue or need. Whether it's providing a solution, answering a question, or offering a new perspective, your writing should be driven by a purpose. Knowing the problem you're solving ensures that your writing stays focused and delivers value from start to finish. And that's how I approach every piece of writing, with these 6 essential questions. By starting with clarity on the problem, audience, benefits, promises, emotions, and actions, you can create writing that is purposeful, engaging, and impactful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to improve their writing skills. Writing with intention and clarity is a game changer, and these 6 questions will guide you every time you sit down to write. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.